one more slide to our notes from last week. I did not include anything about kites on Thursday, and kites is in that assignment. So we're going to work kites today. We're going to work on that assignment a little bit more. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to star test because it is window for that. So, on to kites. The formula for kites is the exact same formula as rhombuses. 1/2 times the diagonals. And in kites, this is even more important because we have different diagonals. One of these diagonals, not the shorter one necessarily, but the one in this orientation, though that diagonal gets split equally. The longer diagonal, in this case, does not. This does create a right triangle. So you have two right triangles at the top that are going to be congruent, and you have two right triangles at the bottom that are also going to be congruent. So for this example, we don't know both of the diagonals, but we did get this hint of a side. So we've got a congruent side. Diagonal 1 is going to be our cross member here. It's 10, so we can split that to 5 and 5. Now look at this triangle here at the bottom. We have two sides of a right triangle, so we can do the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared, don't mind my handwriting, I'm using my mouse, plus something squared equals 13 squared. Now if you square those, and then you take 169 minus 25, you're going to get 144, and the square root of 144 is 12. So this missing side right here is 12. That helps us find the area of the two bottom triangles. But we're missing something here. I need to add another side length. Okay, so let's pretend that root of 61 was there the whole time. Now we can actually find, using the Pythagorean theorem, the same way. 5 squared plus something squared equals root 61 squared, which is just 61. So I'm going to do 61 minus 25, and that equals 36. Square root of both of those, and we get a 6 there. So that tells us that our diagonal here is 18. So now we can use the formula. We can take 10 times 18 times 1/2, or you can find the area of each of the individual triangles and add them together. Either way, 10 times 18 is 5 times. You're going to get 90 as the area of this kite. And we actually have enough information if we wanted to say the perimeter of the kite. In a lot of the problems we've done so far, we don't have all those sides to the perimeter. In this one we did. So it'd be root 61 plus root 61 plus 13 plus 13. So this is how we're going to do the kites. I'm going to open up the Meet as soon as the class is done taking these notes, so it should take you just about the same amount of time. And then we're just going to work through some of the problems on that assignment because, again, it's a long one. Alright, so I will see you shortly.